Here are 5 VS Code default settings that you probably want to change. So in VS Code, when you have a directory that doesn't have any file, but it has another directory, VS Code does these things where it merges them on one line. Now in this case, this is nice because it could save some space since these directories are empty already, but sometimes it actually gets annoying. Let's say I want to move a file into directory 2. If I take this file here and I come here, there is no indication showing me where exactly I am dropping this. Well, I can turn this off by going to settings, going to compact folder, and then here it's currently turned on, but if I turn it off, the directories are no longer merged, they are now separate. So now I can easily drag and drop my file to the place that I want it to be. VS Code also has this default where if you open a new file, it opens it in a preview mode, and the indication for preview mode, you can see the file name here is slanted. In preview mode, if I should open another file, you can see that it replaces the current tab with that new file. If I click on flex.html, it replaces the previous file that I had open. So if I actually want a file to not be open in preview mode, then instead of just clicking once, I have to double click. So if I double click on flex.html, now this is not in preview mode. So if I should click on another file, you can see that flex.html is still open and this new file is open in preview mode. Now in my case, I like this default setting because it allows me to easily scan through different files without having multiple tabs open. But if you don't like it, you can go to settings, search for preview editor. And currently this is checked, but if I uncheck it, now I can go back, click any files, and you can see this is not in preview mode. If I click on style.css, you can see again this is not in preview mode. As you can see, I have multiple tabs open, so VS Code places them on this horizontal scrollable section, and it's kind of difficult to know what tab is actually open. If you're somebody who works with many tabs like this, you can come to your settings and search for wrap tabs. Currently it's not checked, but if I set it to be checked, VS Code is now going to wrap all the tabs into separate rows. So you have the first row, the second row, and this way you can easily see what tabs are currently open. But as you obviously see, now it takes up more space vertically. So if I should open more files, you can see we have over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows here. But if you don't have that many files open, but you still want to have an overview of all your files, you can wrap your tabs. Another thing with VS Code is MDN references. For example, I'm in this CSS file, and if I should hover on border, you can see that it shows me what exactly border is and the syntax. But you also see this MDN reference here. And one thing that has probably happened to you, because it's happened to me a lot, is sometimes I want to click maybe outside here, but instead what I do is I would click on this MDN reference, and then to open the MDN reference on my browser, in this case VS Code is asking me, do you want to open it on an external website? But if I already had this configured, then I could easily just be doing something, and before you know, I'm on a browser. Now if you want to turn that off, you can go to your settings, search for hover reference, and here we have CSS hover reference, show references to MDN, also for less, for SAS. In the case of CSS, I can turn this off, and now when I come here, if I hover on margin, you can see it doesn't show that MDN reference anymore. One more major default you might want to change is moving your primary sidebar to the right. So by default, your primary sidebar is on the left here. Directory and maybe your search, your source control, all of these things are on the left. But then if you're like me who likes closing this primary sidebar, this is what happens. So you can see this view here. When I close the primary sidebar, you can see the view goes to the left. If I open the primary sidebar, you can see it goes to the right. So by putting this on the left, every time you open your primary sidebar or you open this, I think this is called the activity bar, but if you open it and close it, I have shortcuts for that. You can see how my editor keeps moving here, but then you can right click on this, move the primary sidebar to the right. I'm working on my code here. If I close the sidebar and open it, you see we don't have any shift in here. Nothing is moving around. Everything stays here. Even if I open the activity bar, only the right here has some changes, but the left here is sort of constant. That's it for the 5 VS Code default settings. Let me know in the comments if there are any of these settings that you didn't know about before, or if there are other default settings that you usually change when working with VS Code.